everyone, Melissa here, coming on today to support my favorite things, March Madness. And the hashtag is hashtag MFT Monday. And so if you'd like to join in, I'll have the ladies' links down below. That would be Simply Shantae, So Good All, and VLB Allen 1. And if I didn't say those right, they'll be listed down below, so you can go over and subscribe to their channels and make sure you enter in on their challenge. All right, so these are the MFT products that I am using today. So I'm using this little girl here as well as this one here, and that was called Winter Kisses. And also I'm using this set here, which is probably balloon stacks, and I'm just using the top of the largest balloon, and you'll see that in my card. And then I am also using, let me just take that out, this Friend, and I've never used this before, had it for years. There was a free die over 60, so I'm using that. And then I'm using these Echo Park enamel dots. I'm using the green ones, and there were black ones in there, so I'm using the green and black. And this is the paint splatter background from Whimsy Stamps. I'm using that, and the Sizzix dies, and I'm using the largest one here. All right, so let's take a look at that card. Here we go. Now I had these backgrounds already colored up. I had several of them. Didn't have red, tried for it, but the color red that I had didn't match her pants, so I went with the blue. I thought that matched pretty good. And I used the sentiment, blowing you a kiss and a wish for all good things, and then I added on Friend down below. So hopefully that sounds okay. I wanted to get that in there because I had never used that before, and thought she turned out pretty good. I bought these new markers here, and I wanted to try them out. I just picked them up from Ross, and I want to say I really like these markers. I really do. And that's how they look. I like the tip that you can hold them with. It's just really cute, and I like them. I would buy some more of those, and that was only $7 for a 24 pack, but really nice. But yeah, and so this is what I did. I colored her up like I said, and I did add some little gel pen accents on there. Really cute. I didn't finish the inside yet, but I will. And that's what I have for you. Like I said, make sure you follow the ladies. The links will be down below. And hopefully I can come back next week. I don't know. My mojo is kind of gone. I was struggling with this card. Hopefully it'll come back to me before next week. All right. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.